Hey everyone, this is Jasper here from Jaspergraphiix and you are welcome to this fantastic tutorial on Pixellab. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe and turn on the bell notification icon to get notified whenever I drop amazing videos like this. So guys, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to import 2 to 3 images at the same time on Pixellab. Okay, so let's click on import. We tap on the import button 3 times, okay, or 2 times, depending on the number of picture I want to import. So we are importing 2 images, so you tap on the import button 2 times, okay. And now import, tap on the first image, the second image, okay, click on the check mark. As you can see, we have successfully imported 2 images at once in Pixellab. So this is a very cool way to save your time when designing. Okay, instead of importing the pictures one by one after the other, you just have to tap the number of pictures you want to import and import it at once. Okay, thank you guys for watching the video. Kindly subscribe to my channel, like and turn on the bell notification icon to get notified whenever I drop amazing videos like this. Okay, thank you guys.